If sometimes you feel lazy to prepare breakfast, this one is for you. Hello guys, dali ubani ko mag-breakfast ta. Kay say man ta, usahay kapoy jud malihok sa buntag. Pero tanawa, dali ra kayo ni gabi pa ni nako gibuhat. Nya ready na sa pagkabuntag. You just need milk, oats, banana, or any fruit that you want to mix with it. And here I add some chia seeds. And no cooking needed. Di siya mahal, di komplikado, pero lami, busog, ug healthy pa jud. Sometimes, simple can be powerful. Life can feel like overnight oats too. You take small things, a little kindness, a few prayers, a pinch of patience, then you give it time. Dili dayon makita ang result, pero someday you'll be surprised. Every spoon reminds me we don't need to do everything all at once. Usahay, ang hinay-hinay nga paningkamot, mauday ang pinakadakog epekto. Rest is part of the process and not a sign of weakness. Di man kinahanglan pirmi bongga or perfect ang tanan. Sometimes, what we truly need is peace, quiet mornings, warm hearts, a little nourishment. Like this, banana adds the sweetness, simple but enough to make a difference. And the chia seeds, tiny, pero they make it better. Parehas sa kinabuhi, mga gamay muta nga makapahimuot nato, a smile from a stranger, a text from a friend, or maybe just having enough time to breathe. In the middle of chaos, we forget how important preparation is. But overnight oats teaches me preparation doesn't need to be loud, just intentional, just consistent. Some days, kapoy, some days, okira, but when you feel like giving up, remember, even rest is a part of progress. Bisan og wala pa'y resulta karon, padayon lang. Kay ugma, basin andam na tanan. Kung kapoy ka, okay ra, take your time. Rest, regroup, and reflect. Unya buhata lang balik. Gagmay lang sa, pero tinuod nga paningkamot. Bitaw, we should live simply, love gently, and trust your own timing. Kay sama sa overnight oats, ang hinay nga preparation maghatag og busog nga resulta. You don't always need a fresh start. Sometimes you just need to keep going.